Hey everyone, welcome back to our crypto tutorial series. Today, we're diving into how to withdraw USDC from Arculus wallet to Bitrue in 2025. If you're looking to move your USDC smoothly and securely, this guide is perfect for you. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, we'll break it down step by step to make it easy and straightforward. First off, before we get started, make sure you have the Arculus Wallet app installed on your device and that your Bitrue account is fully set up and verified. You'll also need some USDC in your Arculus wallet ready to go. This process is designed for 2025, so we're focusing on the latest features for speed and security. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Open the Arculus Wallet app on your phone or computer and log in with your secure credentials. Once you're in, head to your dashboard to view your assets. Step 2. Locate and select your USDC balance. Look for the Send or Withdraw option. Tap or click on that to start the transfer process. Step 3. Enter the recipient's wallet address. This is the deposit address from your Bitrue account, so double-check it to avoid any mistakes. You can usually find this in your Bitrue settings under Deposits. Step 4. Specify the amount of USDC you want to withdraw. Be mindful of any transaction fees, which might vary based on the network you're using, like Ethereum or another blockchain. Step 5. Review all the details on the confirmation screen. This includes the amount, fees, and destination address. If everything looks good, proceed to authorize the transaction. Step 6. Confirm the withdrawal using your wallet's security measures, such as a PIN, fingerprint, or two-factor authentication. Once done, the transaction will be sent to the blockchain. After that, keep an eye on your Bitrue account. It could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour for the USDC to show up, depending on network traffic. A quick tip: always use official apps and enable notifications for transaction updates to stay safe from scams. There you have it, you've successfully withdrawn USDC from Arculus to Bitrue. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.